grocery store and get some stuff for dinner tonight for our camp out.
I want to have cheesy hot dogs.
You trade them. Yeah, you can.
We're getting food for the camp out. You saw what that?
No, no candy.
Look at these. Look at me.
Okay, as soon as we decided to go camping, it was a super hot day. So we waited and it's about 5 o'clock now. So we're gonna go to the mountains and go camping. Sound good?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it.
I can open it up.
Oh.
I know what it might go on.
You guys ready to go camping?
Yes, we are ready to go camping. Woo!
Okay, so we decided on a spot. It's a great spot with a killer stream, all for the kids to play around. The only thing is the mosquitoes are absolutely insane. With that being said, the kids are getting bit up, but they still want to stay. So hopefully the fire smoke can help keep the mosquitoes away.
Not that full video! It's time to go somewhere else! The boat is stuck! Get a little bit tighter. Little kind of white line.
She got a little dusty.
Okay, tonight for dinner, I think we are having tacos. Mace made some meat at the house and we're warming up by the fire. Hopefully it'll be good here soon, so.
Heel back. Mom. In the water?
No, just somewhere. Go pee. I can see you now.
Dad, what's wrong with the underwear? Water.
Yeah, the water is cold.
Kind of. I don't got it all.
Ooh,
I don't got it.
it's hot.
Don't see it. But just look at me.
Okay, I want to ask you some questions.
Okay, I'm so scared.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Why do you guys like making videos?
Because it was so fun.
Okay, Basti?
Yeah. I like being in the bill and playing in the levels.
Oh, you like the
have
beauty,
campfires,
the landscape?
even going on hikes, even just hanging out with full family.
Yours smells like lemon.
Look at
Oh yeah, it does smell good.
Crazy. My timer, my body's like, it's time to go to bed soon.
Good night. Good night, everybody. See you in the morning. Bye.
Okay, we just put the boys to bed. I'm gonna clean up the campsite and we'll catch you guys in the morning. Yeah, just good?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I'm glad I'm in the camper though.
Yeah, you didn't want to sleep in the tent, huh?
No.
No. Well, hopefully Mom and Brock slept okay.
Well, I was gonna both sleep
Yeah?
for an hour and a half.
Are you
And
serious?
And I fell asleep.
Dang.
How you did that? How can you put in that?
Oh, I was just taking a little video. What a pretty view to wake up to, huh?
Yeah.
How'd you sleep?
Like a baby.
Yeah, it's a pretty view to sleep to, huh?
Poop. We did. You made me do abs yesterday.
Oh yeah, so you pooped out here? We went to the gym yesterday and we did abs really hard, and Macy had a bathroom accident last night. Not an accident, but she had to use the bathroom pretty bad.
We live like babies.
Yeah, we slept like
I don't know
babies.
why people say that. Babies don't sleep good.
Sometimes they do. I heard the zipper on the rooftop tent open. Let's go check if Rocky's awake. Good morning.
I was so cold last night.
You were cold? Oh, well, we need to bring you a different sleeping bag.
Makes me sad.
Bye, camp spot.
I love you. I can't fall. Love you.
Okay, camp spot is cleaned up. We're packed up, and well, we've got work and we need to head back now. So thanks for watching again, and we'll catch you guys next video.
Yeah, catch you on the flip. Woo!